The cooking oil aisle has become a battleground. Olive oil is sacred, coconut oil is either a superfood or a villain, and avocado oil is the new contender. The evidence is clearer than the marketing. Extra virgin olive oil is the most studied. Its monounsaturated fat and polyphenols are linked to lower cardiovascular risk. A 2013 trial in the New England Journal of Medicine found that a Mediterranean diet with extra virgin olive oil reduced major cardiac events compared to a low-fat diet. It is the gold standard for a reason. Coconut oil is mostly saturated fat, about 90%, more than butter. A 2017 review in the journal Circulation from the American Heart Association concluded that coconut oil raises LDL cholesterol as much as other saturated fats and should not be treated as heart healthy. The lauric acid does not save it. Avocado oil is also rich in monounsaturated fat and has a high smoke point, good for cooking. A 2020 study in food chemistry confirmed its fatty acid profile is close to olive oil. The catch? A 2020 test by the NYC Department of Consumer Affairs found many commercial avocado oils were adulterated or rancid, so quality varies by brand. For high-heat cooking, refined avocado or light olive oil beat extra virgin, which is best uncooked or gently heated. A 2018 review in Acta Scientific Nutritional Health noted that oxidative stability matters more than the raw smoke point number for everyday cooking. Olive oil remains the best supported choice for health, especially extra virgin, used raw or lightly cooked. Avocado oil is a solid high-heat alternative if you buy a clean brand. Coconut oil is fine for flavor, but is a saturated fat, not a health food. Match the oil to the job and stop fearing the olive tree. No hype, just evidence.